In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search in Outlook to find emails fast. Let's start right from your web browser. Open it up and head to Google. This is a quick and reliable way to get to Outlook, especially if you're on a new device or don't have the page bookmarked yet. You can always save the Outlook page to your bookmarks later to make future visits even quicker. In the Google search box, type Outlook. You'll see results for Microsoft Outlook. Look for the official Microsoft link. This usually includes outlook.live.com or a Microsoft domain. Clicking the official result helps you avoid lookalike pages and gets you straight into your mail. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox. If prompted, sign in as you normally would and you'll be ready to search. Once you're in Outlook on the web, locate the search bar at the very top center of the page. It's a prominent field that typically says Search. This is your command center for finding messages quickly. Click into the box to activate it. You may see helpful suggestions pop up, like recent contacts or common filters, which can speed up the process. Now type a keyword related to what you're looking for. A great place to start is the sender's name. For example, entering a colleague's name will surface conversations with that person. Press Enter to run the search, and Outlook will scan your mail and show you matching results. If you want to be more precise, try simple search tricks. Type from, followed by the person's name to focus on who sent the email, or subject, followed by a word or phrase to target the subject line. Quotation marks are helpful when you know the exact phrase like quarterly report. You can also add words like invoice or meeting to narrow things down further. You'll now see all the emails that match your search, including messages from that person. Results are typically sorted by newest first, and the preview pane will update as you click each message. If your search feels too broad, refine it by adding another keyword or using the suggestions that appear under the search bar. If it's too narrow, remove a word or switch to broader terms. You can also change the scope from the current folder to all folders if you're not seeing what you expect. And when you're done, clear the search box to return to your inbox. That's it. Quick, accurate searches in Outlook, step by step. With a few targeted keywords and the search bar at the top, you'll find what you need in seconds.